Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm your maths teacher. I'm Shagufta Makbool. Please open this book of Oxford New Countdown Book 1. You will have to open page number 5 of this book. Today our topic is addition, count and add. Before starting this work on book, we will start this work with an activity. Look at here students, I am starting with an activity to clear the concept of addition. How can we add different kinds of objects? I am going to help you through this kind of activity. Look at here, one toffee is here. There, what is it? This is a sign of addition, and this is another toffee. So we will have to count both of these, 1 and 2. Answer is 2. At this time we have 2 toffees. We have 2 sweets at this time. So after adding, I will write here 2. Answer is 2. Look at here. 1 toffee is here. This is a sum of addition. This is 0. 0 means nothing. I am not going to add another toffee because there is 0. 0 means nothing. We are not going to add another toffee. Here is 1 plus 0. Answer that we are getting is 1. Look at here. How many toffees are here? Two toffees are here. This is a sign of addition. There is 1 toffee. 2 toffees are here and 1 toffee is here. So I am going to count how many toffees are here. 1, 2 and 3. Answer that we are getting is 3. 3 toffees are here. So students, we have to add like this way. 2 toffees are here. So we write here 1 plus 0. Answer is 1. 2 plus 1. Answer is 3. We will have to add like this way. After doing this activity, now we will complete work on book. Now you are able to do this kind of activity by yourself and this kind of work by yourself on book. Okay students, look at this book and look at this page. This is topic of addition, count and add. Objects are here. This is A part. So we will have to, A part is done for you. We will start from B part. That is given here. How many objects are here? 2, 1, 2 are here. 2 is written. After writing 2, the sign of addition. Then we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is written. 8 are here. So 8 is written here. How many altogether? I am going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Answer is 10. At this time, answer is 10. Next one. How many objects are here? This is C part. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is here. Sign of addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is here. So we will count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9. Next one is, you are saying ladybirds are here. 1, 2, 3 is here. We will write here 3. Sign of addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are here. So I am going to count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Answer is 10. Okay students, after doing A part, we will complete question number. This is question number 1. A part of this page, question number 1, and we will start to do question number 2 of this page. Question number 2 of this page is here. To do these sums, question number 2 is here, use the number line to help you add. We will use this is number line. We will use this number line to add. To add, we will use this number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 to 10 numbers are written here. You are saying, so how can we do this kind of work? Look at here, a part is here, 1 plus 7. You will take 1 here, 1. I am going to add 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So look at here, what is number here? 8 is here. So we will write here 8. Next is 3 plus 1. You will start from 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 and you will add 1. 3 is here, you will add 1. So what number that we are getting after adding? 1, 2, 3, 4. We will add 4. C part, 8 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is here, 8 is here. I am going to add 2 more. 1, 2. Answer is 10. So answer that we are getting is 10. And other sums are here. You can see D part is here. 5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 9. I will write here 9. 6 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am going to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is, look at here, 10. Next one is 1 plus 6. 1 is here. I am going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 7. Next one is 2 plus 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 1, 2 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 3. 7 is here. I am going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 10. 7 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am going to add 1, 2. Answer is 9. Next one is 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 10. 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 7. 2 plus 8. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 10. Okay, students. You will have to solve this page like this way. Look at here. You can solve. You will have to solve like this way. 7 plus 1, 8. 3, 1, 4. 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 4, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 1 plus 1, 7. 5, 6, 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9. 5, 5, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will have to complete like this way with the help of number line. You are seeing here. You are seeing. Okay, students. After watching this video, you will be able to do this work by yourself. If you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.